Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to either enable or disable the auto correction and highlighting of misspelled words on your Windows 11 computer. So this should be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So we are going to start off by opening up the search icon and type in settings. Best match, you come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. You want to select time and language on the left side, and then on the right side, select typing. Where it says autocorrect misspelled words, you can either toggle that on or off, as well as highlighting misspelled words. So pretty straightforward process on that. Again, just turn it on or off, depending on your preference, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.